Tired of juggling files? Let's jump into the easiest ways to transfer files seamlessly between two laptops. First, the trusty USB drive. Plug the drive into the source laptop, then drag and drop the files you want to transfer onto the drive afterward. Safely eject the drive, plug it into the destination laptop, and again drag and drop the files from the USB drive to the new laptop. Simple and efficient, right? Next up, cloud storage. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive are fantastic. Upload your files from the source laptop to your cloud account, then on the destination laptop, log into the same cloud account and download the files you need. This is perfect for bigger files and allows access from anywhere. For faster transfers, try Wi-Fi Direct. This method allows direct wireless connections between the laptops. First, you will need to enable Wi-Fi Direct on both laptops through each system settings, then share the necessary files between the two. Finally, let's dive into the fastest solution: network cable transfer. Connect both laptops using an Ethernet cable to a router, then make sure both laptops are connected to the same network and access network settings on each laptop. From there, you can easily share files between the two computers. Whichever method you choose, remember to check your security settings during or after the transfer, and that's how you can share files easily between laptops. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.